Good morning, this is Miss Grace. This is day 46 of the reading packet, and we are starting on ask support assignment. So we go into classwork, we go here to ideas and support. I've attached the story slides, the written story as Grand Canyon story slides. I've also attached the video of me reading the story, so you have those supports there for you. So let's look at the work. Okay, what you are going to do, and again, if this is too small for you, and it is certainly too small for me, we're going to bounce it up a little bit. Okay, so it says, understand the difference between facts and opinions. Remember, facts are something that you can look up. Basically, you can throw it through a Google search, and you will get statistics and numbers and ages and all of that kind of stuff. Opinions can be true or false. Just because it's opinion doesn't mean it's false. But it is not backed up with a lot of research or data. For instance, my favorite color is blue is an opinion. That I could be right or wrong about that, or the best color in the world is blue. Again, an opinion. It's my opinion. Where's the backing for that? If I wanted to say blue is the most favorite color of most Americans, that you could go look and you could throw that through a Google search. What is the favorite color of most Americans? And it will be blue. So that becomes a fact. If you can throw it through a Google search, then you are dealing with a fact. All right, so the idea here that you're going to support, you need 3 areas of support. The Grand Canyon is rich with history. So you need to go into the story and you need to find 3 quotes that tell you that the Grand Canyon is rich with history. All right? Go find your text support. And then after you find your text support, you have to decide if it's a fact or an opinion. Now, if we were doing this on paper, if we were in the classroom, we would be doing it on paper. You would just simply circle fact or opinion. But if you look down here, I gave you a text box. Just put your cursor on it. The text box will appear. And you can just type in fact or opinion. All right, you put your cursor up here and the text box will appear. Okay, so if you just click on it, you'll see the text box appears and then you can begin to type. Okay, so you want to steal a sentence, steal a quote from the story that supports the idea that the Grand Canyon is rich with history. Then you have to decide, is this support, is it a fact or is it an opinion? All right. So it's actually pretty straightforward, not horrible. All right. Have good luck with this.